Welcome to our family farm, where we grow organic citrus and manage our own packing house and cold storage. This time of year marks a transition period here on the farm. We just wrapped up our first harvest of the season with these pomegranates, and it went way worse than we expected. But that's a story for another video. Now that the fruit is off the tree, it's time to fertilize the field. So I'll be spreading raw cow manure to add organic matter and essential nutrients back to the soil. The trees will store these nutrients as they go dormant over the winter. Then in the spring, when they come out of dormancy, they'll have everything they need to grow the next crop. And I need to finish spreading the manure now because I'll be using this tractor to plant cover crops in our citrus field before next Tuesday. And the reason for that deadline is because we're expecting over an inch of rain on Tuesday. I know, it's only mid-October, which is too early to be planting cover crops. Don't worry, I'm not planting everything right now. We've already had some unusual rains this fall, and I'm gonna take a risk and hope we get some more. Plus it's still warm out, so I wanna see how the cover crops do when they're planted in an October rain. And hopefully it doesn't stay dry the next 2 months or they will all die. But that's the reality of farming, always a gamble. Oh, sorry, one more thing, forgot to mention. I also have to spray before it rains. We're also just 4 weeks out from the start of pomelo season. They're filling up with juice and sugar right now and starting to taste amazing. Sunkist already started to pack theirs, but we like to wait till ours are truly ready to eat. So right now we're deep into cleaning our packing house and cold storage. We've ordered all the materials and have everything lined up to start packing. And once we kick off this packing season, we're gonna try something new. We'll be selling our citrus online and shipping it directly to you. My parents actually tried this in 2008, and that's why this design looks like it's from 2008, because it is. And we still have thousands of them sitting around. So hopefully you'll be seeing more videos after this about our direct-to-consumer business. And if there aren't any videos after this, well, that means this failed horribly. And if you still are watching this, comment down below if you are interested in buying citrus from us and having us ship it right to your door. Also, ask any questions you might have about farming or organic citrus or packing house, cold storage, or just running a family business. And while you're here at the end of the video, please like and subscribe to help us grow this channel so we can keep sharing more of our farm with you. Better get back to it. Bye for now.